Hello, everyone. I'm here with Glock and Johnson. We're just randomly recording a video because tomorrow we're going to be recording adventure or survival, whatever, with Mark 19990. It may be them, and it'll be a great time. I can't wait. It'll be so fun. I'm in game mode, and that's as Glock. Oh snap. Some things going down. So, hope you guys enjoyed that one teacher video. That was fun. I should have been recording, but I forgot. TP John. Yeah. There we go. I'm Bill. As you see, Edgar is Johnson. He's a panda. 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 Jeff. 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 I got Jeff. And the armor. Well, I spawned it in, which I shouldn't do, because Mark got mad at me, but whatever. And, yeah, hopefully you guys will be enjoying all the videos that we've been doing. Oh, wow. TP John. Tap John. So, he did. I'm starving. I wish these guys have Skype. That would be awesome. But yeah, me and Mark will be doing survival, and Glock may show up, and Johnson, maybe. And yeah, it'll be so fun. Hopefully we'll get more subscribers, likes. It'll be really awesome. Hopefully we turn out to be really big, which will be really awesome. I'm probably gonna run out of hunger. And yeah, I gotta pause it because it says it's not really a real video. So yeah, I'm gonna pause it in a couple minutes. So yeah, say bye. Bye.